As we start a new year, 2024, the biggest crypto news is a Bitcoin ETF approval. Let's dive in and see what it will bring us in next 10 days. Bitcoin ETF approval window starts this week, and the deadline is on January 10th. And as positive as it might seem, with the great headlines and great news in social media and on newspapers, there is still a lot of complications which might happen. And my major one is that SEC Commission actually wants to approve only in cash ETF, while money managers like BlackRock and Valkyria wants to have in kind and in cash. So what is the difference? In cash allows to buy only in cash ETFs, allows to buy ETF only with fiat money, while in kind allows to buy ETF also with Bitcoin, for example. Most of the ETFs that are on market now are in cash both and in kind. And if SEC Commission will approve only in cash for a Bitcoin ETF, it will result in decreasing amount of resources going into the Bitcoin, and as a result, it might bring a lot of disappointment on the market in the spot, which might result a huge dip of the price and other consequences. If the ETF will be approved, Goldman Sachs crypto experts expect that pension funds will actually send their money into this ETF. This one is a big one because pension funds are one of the major funds which can pump the crypto and which is highly realistic. If the ETF is going to be approved, it's important to understand that a huge positive wave of news coming in every day, which is pushing the ETF, is still under the question mark. Because if the ETF is going to be prolongated or not approved, all these great things that are going to happen and are predicted to happen might prolongate or not even happen at all. And to other news. The Bitcoin ETF is one of the hottest subjects and topics in 2024, in the beginning of 2024. Most of the news will be made on the subject tomorrow, day after that, 10 days after that, a month after today. But as we are standing and approaching a new year, we can look back and see what happened in 2023. That was a crazy year when the cryptocurrency went from total decline to a bullish trend, when the scammers could create new schemes to take money out of the cryptocurrency, and when we are expecting the Bitcoin halving. In 2023, over 500,000 of people have become victims of cryptocurrency phishing scams. And as bad as it might sound, this signal has a clear message. The cryptocurrency entered the phase of a mass adoption. So either you are a professional trader or a newcomer, make sure to use only secure and safe wallets and to adopt in your usage secure and safe practices, as keeping your phrase safe, as making sure you don't share your private keys, as making sure your computer is updated and you have an antivirus installed. It's important to remember your wallet and your keys have to be secured to make sure that these bad actors do not steal your money. And it's important to remember, if you're clicking any links or participating in giveaways, in NFT giveaways, in token giveaways, make sure that you know the entity or use your empty wallet to participate in such events, because a lot of scammers are using giveaways or NFT giveaways or token giveaways to actually scam people and to drain money out of their wallet. Other than that, I believe that more people coming into crypto is a great news. 2023 was also remembered as a year when we started to talk about the Bitcoin halving. I just want to remind you that Bitcoin halving is an event that is going to happen in the future, in 2024, when the profitability of the mining Bitcoin will be cut in half. It's important to take this information into your calculations if you plan to make money or mining, specifically if you are looking to buy the miners now. The mining business is very complicated because you have to make calculations upfront to make sure that your device is going to make the best income, the best possible income, and you get the best possible deal. There's a lot of outdated miners and there's a lot of trash on the market at this point. And if you are looking to invest into the mining, I would rather wait a little bit and see what the potential of the price of the Bitcoin price is going to be. As well, I would wait for a new miners to come to the market. The 2023, the end of the 2023 was remembered and will be remembered as a transfer from a bear market to the bullish trends. And fairly speaking, some cryptocurrency already made like 10x and more. That was a crazy ride up to this point. The 2024 is a big question mark. A lot of people and market expects to explode in the bullish trends and increasing the price of the leading cryptocurrencies. Some other people are more bearish and expect a small dip or even a bigger dip before we, as it says, reach the moon. It's important to look not only on the cryptocurrency events, but on the whole picture. And the whole picture, the economy looks very strange at this point. As the US economy shows a lot of signs of recovery, we still have huge tensions. We have the war in Ukraine, we have the war in the Middle East, which has a huge risk to become a global one as we see US and Great Britain and France joining more and more, sending more and more forces, and we don't see any major power to actually try to make peace. We see more aggressive and more aggression into geopolitics. And this factor is very important because if a global war breaks out, it might lead to very unexpected events. And it's something that has to be taken into account while we are looking at cryptocurrency. We always, when we trade the cryptocurrency, when we check the news, when we participate in the market, we always have to look on a global market as well. The important news that happened lately, and it was almost unnoticed because it's something that was happening during all 2023, is that US has taken the major part of the market of an oil production. It has overcome all the OPEC countries. It's over 51% on the market. This is made to keep the oil price low, but it also can trigger the economy growth. Even in developed countries, because with a low oil price, the economy rises faster. All this news about the economy, about the recovery of US economy, about the global wars that might occur, and about the oil prices is something that is important taking into account. Also, these indicators are still not clear. This being said, I wish you a happy new year and a great year ahead. This one, guys, is gonna be a tough one. There's gonna be a huge amount of challenges. And make sure that you're prepared physically, mentally, and financially. Because this is going to be something else hell of a year.